In this video, I want to talk about a few of the meta guns that are less known and less used that nobody knows about, so don't forget to subscribe. The sniper gun with which you can enjoy and one-shot your enemies. NPCR in the new update kill your enemies with one shot to the head or neck and 2 shots to the enemy's body. 10 round magazine default with less bullet drop than KTMR, making it the best sniper currently in the battle royale mode, allowing you to kill your enemies from the Verdansk map. After nerfing HRM9 and RAM9, I made a change in my loadout. And with this loadout and the ammunition I selected in both multi and battle royale mode, you can use these attachments. The Renati pistol can be converted into a SMG with its own conversion kit, which has a very low TTK that can surprise your enemies. Make sure to use this combination at least once. I don't recommend this loadout at all, but if you encounter an enemy in the match who plays poison and uses a shotgun, you can use it. The faster you press the fire button, the faster this gun will fire, especially for 3-finger and 4-finger players. You can buy the conversion kit from Arsenal store. BP15, which in the previous mid-season had a bug in mobile and did not have a 3 attachments such as a magazine and barrel. This loadout that I tested, it is a very good gun for reverse map and mid-range. You can change the place of stock and optic. In the end, I will give you 2 attachments, mid-range and long-range, which are the metas of the season. And in the continuation of the video, I will put my own gameplay. If you are interested, watch it and wait for my next video.
Black side. Yo, black. Black poco. Side زدی. ای خانه مادر جنه کستنه. دمیر کونی.
Take your bloody fire!
اونجا رو من نمیتونم بزنم چیز نه رفتی رو انمی. خب من این ور اومدم. ای خدا خب منم از همون گوهو میخواستم بخورم. اولی دار بفرش شکر زنم خیلی بی‌ناموسی. قشنگ بولیم کرد. پشت چسبونده یارشو داره میگیره. برو این چر میزنه بچه بی‌ناموس. اسمه بدبختش Selfie'miz o.
Gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Gir ki abi. Ayana.
Friendly UAV online. Friendly UAV online.
Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
Gas is closing in.
Ay man.
Enemy precision airstrike. Take cover.
Careful. Hard to be a threat with a hole in your...
For a chance to redeploy.
Aşağıda çık.
Stuff back out!
İlişkiler diyorsun dedim bu.